Hello my friends, Frédéric Bergeron for Inaxsys. As promised in the previous video, I wanted to show you how we can program this new Ajax Takeover Module device, all right? As we said in the product presentation, this allows you to connect wireless devices from third-party manufacturers to bring these existing products or devices into your Ajax ecosystem. This allows you to take over an existing site and then make your Ajax system grow as these devices are failing down the years, right? So if this motion is still good, why not use it for a while, right? So right now what I have in front of me, I have my Ajax Hub 2 Plus, I have my takeover module, all right, in white. So I'm very happy to have my hands on one of these because when I saw this product being released soon, I really wanted to test it, okay? Here I have a DSC wireless motion and a DSC wireless contact that I'm gonna add to this. But first, what we want to do is to enroll the takeover module into the Ajax Hub. Since we did a tutorial on that already, my hub is already initialized and already in my Pro app, okay? So let me start recording the screen on my phone so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so from the devices sections, I want to add a new device. So simple, this product is crazy. I grabbed the QR code. Let's give it a name. So take over, module. All right, I'll leave it in the warehouse. Now, as I said in the presentation, you can only choose one category of manufacturers. I want to use DSC. Okay, add device. I'm going to connect the device to power. Sorry, and power on. Now it's added. Okay, so now I can close the lid. Otherwise, I'm going to have an error in my hub. Like that. Perfect. So now I have my takeover module. Let's add the motion detector. Okay. So you see right under the takeover module, you tap on devices. Okay. Add third-party device. I need to give it a name. Let's make it simple. We'll call it motion. And then I need to select the type. It's going to be a motion detector. Then I'm going to scan for devices. We open the tamper on the device and close. You see, it's so easy. It's already there. I tap on the device. It shows the serial number. You could have tried to enter it manually, but if you're adding devices one by one, then you just see the next one being available. Oh, sorry, I talked too much. Like that. That's it. We have the motion. Now, it's obviously still installed properly, but it's being registered. All right, so if I go back now, I have one device showing in the list. Let's add the door contact. I click add. I call it door contact. Warehouse. It's basically an opening detector. Scan for device. Trying to see. Yeah, I just close the contact and reopen. Now it's added. So now let me show you, now that we've added those two devices on the system, you will see if I arm and if I open the contact, you'll see in events. I can close the contact. And you see events are coming in. All right. So basically now in our Ajax ecosystem, we have two DSC devices online and working as before. All right. But your client now has a brand new system with a recent application that is continuously updated and improved, right? So I think it's an amazing product and they will help you take over existing sites and then slowly move your client to have more Ajax devices in the future. Okay, so again, this was how to program the Ajax Takeover Module from Ajax Systems. If obviously Inaxsys is a Canadian distributor of this product, and also we have plenty of tutorials on our YouTube channel so you can watch and learn about the products. Okay, so thanks for watching. Frédéric L from Inaxsys.